the story of Fitzcarraldo. It's a strange story, a little bit Sisyphus-like. A story of challenge of the impossible. There were rumors that we were smuggling arms, that while we were shooting we destroyed their fields. If I believed in the devil, I would say the devil was right here. And nature here is vile and base. I would see fornication and asphyxiation and choking and fighting for survival and just rotting away.
You can't go, you can't escape of this fucking stinking camp.
I'm running out of fantasy. I don't know what else can happen now. If I abandon this project, I would be a man without dreams, and I don't want to live like that.